Hey fam, welcome back to the channel. I know y'all missed me from last week. I didn't post a video last week because I was busy and just had a lot going on. I didn't get to edit any video or anything like that, and I was also busy this entire week as well. But I didn't want to go 2 weeks without you guys hearing from me. I got your emails, I got your messages, I see the comments. I just want to say thank you guys for your support and for sticking with me and for understanding during this time, because as you know, there's a lot going on with business and there's also a lot going on with pregnancy. So I'm balancing both, trying to be a working mom to be here. And you know how it goes, especially with the pregnancy. Not every day I'm feeling up to par. Not every day I'm feeling to come on camera. There are the different pains and discomfort that comes with pregnancy. But I'm trying to still fulfill my obligation to you guys, to YouTube, all while balancing everything else. But like I promised, I want to be transparent, so I wanted to come and let you guys know, because I know you guys are looking forward to these videos every week. And I do have some a little bit more renovation type videos coming, but those aren't quite ready yet, so just look out for that. I'm definitely open to your suggestions for future videos, because if I'm being honest with you and transparent like I promised, sometimes I get a little demotivated and I'm not even sure what exactly to film, because I'm kind of restricted by pregnancy in some sense, as I can't move about like I usually could. And then as you know, I'm in a foreign country, different things and everything is different. So I'm also sometimes trying to figure out what it is that I want to be doing. I know a lot of you were here from I was filming in Jamaica, love the Jamaica type content and miss the Jamaica type content. I also miss filming that content, but until then, I have to figure out what I'm filming here. Leave your suggestions below. I got your messages about the registry. So before I got pregnant, when you guys predicted that I am pregnant or wished pregnancy upon me, you also commented that you wanted me to do a registry, because whenever I do get pregnant, you're gonna be buying things for the baby from the baby registry. So once I did announce the pregnancy, then I did post the registry and a lot of you bought things for the baby. And firstly, I want to say thank you so much on behalf of the baby. Thank you for your support. It means the world. Like, thank you for all the gifts that we've received so far. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. It's an Amazon registry for those of you that aren't aware. So what it is there's a link in the description bar below this video, where once you click the link, you'll be brought to the page with the gift items that I selected from Amazon. Then once you go ahead to purchase the gift item, add it to your cart, go through the process to check out. Then once you get to the section where it asks to put in your shipping address, once you click it, it will say Rushelin's registry address, and it will automatically put in my address and ship the item directly to me. So that's how I've been able to get the things. The reason I'm explaining this is because a few people have reached out to me saying they don't know how I'll get the gift if they buy it on Amazon. So I figured I'll explain again how exactly I'll be able to get it. It comes directly to me as long as you click the link and go to the registry, because that's what others have done. I'm so grateful for, and I'm going to show you guys the things that I've received so far. There's still a lot of things on the registry that I haven't received yet, so there's still time for the rest of you to go get things from the registry, and thank you when you do. But I wanted to keep you guys updated, keep you guys in the loop, because you guys have been on a journey with me and I don't want to feel left out. So I'm gonna show you some of the things that I received so far. As you can see, I'm in a totally different setting right now. I'm not in the office like I usually am. I'm actually in my closet, and I know it kind of look a little chaka, but you know, we're family and it's not always gonna be picture perfect, and I'm not trying to paint this picture of perfection, because there's nothing perfect over here. I'm a regular simple human being that have a closet that needs to be tidied. So I have all the things behind me, and I store some of the smallest things in these baskets here. So let's see. Let me show you. I'm not gonna pull them out, but I'll show you and explain what they are. And when I was creating the registry, right, as you know, I'm a first-time mom. I don't know a lot about babies and newborns and baby things, you know. So I did a lot of research, I also contacted a lot of my friends and family members who have had children before and asked them for suggestions of things that I'll need for the baby. I also watch a lot of TikTok videos, a lot of YouTube videos, a lot of Instagram videos, and then a lot of you guys suggested some things that I'll need because I don't really know what the baby will need. So from after gathering all of that information, that's what I put on the registry for the things that I'll potentially need for the baby. So this was one that was highly recommended. This is the Dr. Brown's baby bottle, and it's a bottle set with 4 bottles and nipples, and this look like a pacifier, and it comes highly recommended. But I did get a few persons telling me that while it's good and it's good for, I think, colic, or it's good for the baby's digestion or burping or something like that. So it did tell me that they have a lot of moving parts. So you have this green part in here that I'll have to wash separately from the cover, separately from the nipple, separate, and it's just like 5 parts to this bottle. So that is what I was cautioned about, is the con to this bottle set. But I heard that it's good for the baby to help with digestion or something like that. You know, as I said, I'm new to this, so I'm open to your suggestions and your feedback. You can provide more information for me in the comment section so that I'll know what it is for. But this came highly recommended, and I'm so grateful that I have it. So baby have buckle. That's not the only bottle though, because I did get quite a few suggestions of baby bottles, and what I was told is that get different types of bottles because you don't know what bottle the baby will like or will latch on to. So I got different brands. So I guess it's a trial and error, testing and error to see what the baby likes. So I also got this one called Nourish, Boon Nourish, and this one has, these are smaller and it comes in a pack of 3, and these are supposed to be silicone bottles, so go easy on the grip, and also it has like interchangeable tops, so as the baby grows I can change off the bottle top and turn it into a sippy cup. And I thought that was cool, something that will grow with the baby. So this is the size, very tiny. But I also got another size, if I can find it, with a, I think this is 2 ounces. I don't even know, but I think I got a 4-ounce one as well. When I find it, I'll show it to you. I also got this thermometer to check the baby's temperature. So I think this will come in handy and useful. I got baby nail file kit. So to cut the baby's nails and keep them nice and short so that him not crack me up. This also was recommended. Cetaphil baby lotion, wash and shampoo. And I got 2 of them. So thank you guys for getting these for me, or for us, for the baby. Also got this pacifier, baby pacifier from Raz Feeder, and some silicone, what do you call them? Bibs? Silicone bibs to catch the food, and so that the baby doesn't mess up himself when he's eating. So that's good. I think that's, oh, there's 2 of these that came in here. One of my friends insisted that I got burp cloths. If I'm being honest with you, I didn't even know that there was such a thing, burp cloth, but now I know. And this actually came in the mail today. I just went and collected it. And I got, oh, this is a breast pump. So when I was doing the research for the breast pump, there are so many different types. Big ones, small ones, wearable ones, non-wearable ones, whatever. I plan to breastfeed. I'd love to breastfeed and to pump out the extra milk so that the baby can drink the natural milk from me. So having a breast pump was really important to me, and I do have 2 different breast pumps on the registry. So this is one of them which I got, and the second one is a wearable one where I can wear it inside my bra while I'm moving around in the house or on the road, and it's concealed, supposed to be concealed where nobody don't know that I'm actually pumping at the time. It's a little bit pricey, but it sounds like it's worth it. It's from the brand called LV. So if you guys know anything about it, please to leave a comment in the comment section below so that I can get more information if it's worth getting. But it seems, based on the videos I've watched and the recommendations from people that I got, seems like a good breast pump. Again, I don't know for sure. I'm just going with the recommendations I received. Then I have some bigger items. This is a Kick and Play from Fisher Price. So I'll insert the photo. It's one of those playtime, tummy time, multicolored mats for the baby to crawl around and play with the things and grow up on it, I guess. So I'm excited about that. I also got this bag, which I put it on my registry as my hospital bag to pack the things in to when I'm going to the hospital. I don't want a big suitcase. I think that this should be able to carry enough things for both me and the baby to go to the hospital. I don't want to stay in there for no long period of time. I'm thinking that this should be enough. This should be big enough to go to the hospital, right? Comment below and let me know, because I don't know. This is just my assumption that it will be big enough. And I like the bag. I like the color. If you guys know, you know I like cream things. And I'm happy that it came exactly as it was advertised on Amazon, because I was worried that it's gonna, you know, look flimsy, but it's not. And inside of it, so this is the bag, and then it also has a pouch that comes inside of it, so I can pack baby's things in here. That's what I'm thinking. And then inside of that pouch is another little pouch that I'm thinking to pack toiletries, maybe toothbrush, toothpaste, face wash, toiletries. But this looks like I can pack like baby diapers and things in there, right? So it's a 3-pack bag, which it seems to me that it should be enough for the hospital visit and delivery. That's my assumption. Let me know below if you think I'll need more than this bag. Will I need a suitcase as well? I am not sure. Mommies, please tell me what you think. I'm open to your suggestion. I don't even remember what's inside of this. I don't even know how to open this. Alright, it's not opening, so let me peep and see what's in there. There's one big box. Oh, I can see what it is. It marks Pampers. So it's diapers that's inside of this. I won't even try to open it because it's just so difficult to open right now. But it's a box with diapers, Pampers diapers inside of it. Which, as we know, as I'm told, I'm gonna need lots and lots of diapers and wipes, because all the baby does in the beginning, I'm told, is eat, sleep, and poop. So I'm gonna need that. And I did put different sizes of diapers on the registry, because I'm told that the baby grows, well, we know the baby grows different sizes, and as they grow and they have different weight, then they need different size. I guess it's like humans with different clothes, whatever. So I have newborn diapers, size 1, size 2, size 3, I think, on the registry, and then I have them in multiples. So I'd love to receive as many diapers and wipes as possible, since I'll need lots and lots of them. And so far, I think I only got 2 diapers and 2 wipes, which I'm thankful for. So if you're thinking of what can I get from the registry, diapers and wipes for sure is definitely appreciated. I do have some other things that I received from the registry. They're just not down here. I'm gonna get up. Some of them are above on top over there. I won't even bother to take them down because they're just too heavy to put back up. But as I can see, I have diapers and wipes is what you're looking at up there. There's also a bath pan to bathe the baby. There's a hanger set to hang the baby clothes. There's a baby rocking thing I don't know, I'll insert the picture so you guys can see. That's also up there. And I think that's pretty much everything I received so far. Yeah, I think so. And I'm just so grateful and thankful. You guys didn't have to. You don't have to, but you chose to, and I'm very happy that you did. Thank you so much. Whew. Doing all that a while ago just made me out of breath. I get so out of breath so easily these days because, you know, my oxygen supply is being shared between me and the baby. So yeah, but this journey has been a beautiful one, and I'm just basking in it and embracing it. A lot of ups and downs so far, but we're almost to the end, and I'm just grateful to be able to carry my baby, bring forth life. I know that a lot of people don't have the ability to, and I wish that everyone who want to carry a baby would be able to, but I know that's just not how life is, and my heart goes out to you. I'm grateful I'm able to, and I'm just, you know, sticking to the positives and doing the best I can, researching as much as I can, learning as much as I can. It's a new journey and a new chapter, and I'm looking forward to it. I finally feel like I'm growing up. Your little girl is growing up. You guys have been here with me for a couple of years, and you see the transition from me being this little skinny girl. I'm still a little skinny, but then when I see me start put on a little weight, and then when I see me move, get married, get baby, all of these things. So I try to, you know, don't put everything online, but anywho, I need to go and I just bought this bookshelf case thing that I need to go and set up because the office room is a mess, and I need to go put that together because I can't deal when it's just too messy. I need some sort of function, organization to make it make sense in my head. So I need to get organized and do that. The more we talk, the more we're out of it. Yeah, and I'm just looking forward to the baby being here, and we're doing our thing, and then we'll go to Jamaica with the baby. I'm looking forward. How can I forget? I want to say thank you guys for supporting FAMIELIN, which is our new business that sells hair and skincare products, and we launched our very first product, which is the Jamaican black castor oil, which is sourced in Jamaica, made by Jamaicans, being sold here, well, online, not in stores as yet, but will be soon. Thank you guys. I see a lot of you received the products and are happy with the product so far. I'm looking forward to all your photos and your videos. I'm showing your progress as you use it and you see the results. Looking forward to it. Please send us your emails with your pictures and your videos and all of that. You can send it to jumbelin@gmail.com. I can also leave the review on the website, but I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. And for those of you that are still interested in getting your Jamaican black castor oil, you can go ahead before it's sold out again, as you guys keep making it sold out, and we're restocking so that we have enough for you guys. But we have some on our website now, so please go ahead and check it out. Anyways, let's go organize the office a bit. Yeah, we'll chat.
Talk to me, it's what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. You wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and have me in your arms? If I could make you see it, baby, would be something to make the starlight jealous up above. You make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving.
Rushing in, rushing in, rushing in with the vlogging. Rushing in, rushing in, rushing in. A good sing thing, DIY thing. Traveling, exploring, touring. A little ear thing, a little teaching. A be a fun thing, cause she not boring. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Watch every video, member say she not hype. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Watch every video, member say she not hype.
Hey, it's Rushlin.